Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel, Mayor English. Today is day 69 of my English speaking challenge, and today I am going to talk about one good habit that I really need right now, and that habit is discipline. I think discipline is very essential good habit for everyone because if you are disciplined, then you can do anything. And why I tell you that discipline is necessary for me right now? Because sometimes I feel motivated to record my video, and sometimes I feel demotivated to record my video. And when I feel motivated to record my video, I record my video and practice English. And sometimes uh, there is any problem or any mood changes there, then I don't want to record my videos, and also I don't want to practice that day. You already know that in between this duration I already missed the some of the practice session, and I already told you about that. If you watches my previous videos, then you can see that I already missed that session because of my motivation is lagging, or my mood is not good, or some taking extra advantage that today is bad day, today is not this thing, this thing is not good in this way. And motivation gets you, like, if you have motivation, then you can do anything at particular time, like until you have that motivation to do that, until there you will do that, and after your motivation is gone, then you are not going to do that things. As for example, you can see me. I started my English speaking challenge with very high motivation, and I recorded my video and I practice English every day. In the beginning of my practice, I do everything, like I am listening music or listening anything in English. And I also practice English every day and record every video. And in starting time, I never miss any practice session, any practice video, and doing every video with consistency, because sometimes my motivation peak is very high. That's why I am able to complete 1 month challenge without any missing practice. You don't believe that in that duration I also travel from Bihar to Delhi, but still that day I record my video on my railway platform, because I know that I have to be consistent, and because of my motivation, I record my video on that platform and completed my first part of journey, that is a 30-day English speaking challenge. After that, my motivation is decreasing day by day. Sometimes I feel bored, sometimes I feel I am not improving, sometimes I feel today is not a good day, sometimes I feel I have some problem. In this way, there are too many problems are coming in my mind because of my motivation level goes down. That's why I did not practice some days, and you know very well that I miss the sessions. So in this way, you can say that motivation gets, like, if you have motivation, then you have uh, very chance to do work, but until you have motivation. But when you achieve the discipline, then you will do everything in a particular manner. Like every success people have a good habit, that is discipline. You can see around you, every success people have a good habit in discipline. Like they do everything in a disciplined manner. So I also want to be success. That's why I think I really need a good habit discipline right now for growing in my English journey and practice English every day and also recording my videos. Right now, I don't know how can I be disciplined. Yes, you listen correctly. I don't know how to be disciplined. I have to learn that how to be disciplined. So today my target is that uh, search for some good videos mm, that will teach me that how can I be disciplined person. And when I have that habit, discipline, and because of discipline, I can practice regular session. I can do my all work, and so in this way, I can say that discipline is the most useful things in our life. And also, I can say that if you want to succeed in any field, then you need a discipline. So, if you are a beginner and if you are a learner and if you want to improve your English, you you can do little practice and you will achieve your success. And if you want to practice with me, you can comment below. I will reach out to you and we will practice together. So that's it for today. See you in next video.